What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. So let's get right into it. To get to know that, just head over to the Instagram application. There are some methods to know that. So the first one is you just need to go to your profile and go to the followers list, and if that specific person isn't in your followers list, then you can know that that specific person might have blocked you. There's another way, that if you search for that specific person, you will not be able to find that person, and then you can also be sure that that person blocked you on Instagram. And then there goes the last and not the least way, that is head over to your DMs. And if you have already had a conversation with that person and go to their DMs, you'll not be able to see this chat box right here, and there will be no visible options of it. And then you'll be able to be sure that that person have blocked you on Instagram. And yeah, these are the ways with which you can just know that. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.